Walk the miles of dust and clay, watch the shadows steal the day. The world is loud, the world is cold, buying dreams that can't be sold, doing things I never thought I could. I am a solitary man, drawing lines upon the shifting sand, drawing lines upon the shifting sand. If I don't build, if I don't sing, I am a king without a single thing but to leave a mark upon this place. My purpose ain't to win the race, but to leave a mark upon this place. They ask me why I waste my breath, dancing on the edge of death. I tell them life is more than gold, more than doing what you're told. A man is born to shape the air, to plant a seed when fields are bare, to plant a seed when fields are bare. So let the guitar hum its lonely chord. The song is my shield, the song is my sword. I create, therefore I am. Therefore I am. Therefore I am a simple, solitary man.